here in my garage. Just bought these 2 Ferraris here. But you know what I like a lot more than 2 Ferraris? 4 Ferraris. Now, I didn't buy these 2 Ferraris to show off. I bought all 4 Ferraris to show off. You know, but things didn't used to be this way until I bought a Swagway. Oh, fuck! You guys probably know I read a book a day. Thank you. The key is knowledge. My current favorite is The Cat in the Hat. Let me read a bit for you. The Lamborghini in the knowledge. Now, it wasn't too long ago that my parents gave me a small loan of $1 million, but I spent that all on my YouTube ad campaign, so that's all gone. Let me read you an excerpt from my favorite writer, myself. Knowledge, college, Lambo-gollege, Illuminati, bless up, another one. Another one. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.